Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the ultimate flagship smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra represents the pinnacle of Samsung's engineering excellence and innovation, solidifying its position as one of the most advanced smartphones on the market. With top-tier hardware, cutting-edge software, and a refined design, the S24 Ultra is set to redefine what users expect from a flagship device. In this analysis, we'll explore its design, display, performance, camera system, software, battery, and overall value proposition. 1. Design and build quality. Samsung has refined the already premium design language of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, making subtle improvements to ensure a more ergonomic feel while maintaining its signature sharp edges and sleek profile. Materials. The phone features ARM aluminum 2.0 with enhanced durability, complemented by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back panels. Form factor. It retains the boxy design that users have come to associate with the Ultra series, along with the built-in S Pen, neatly housed within the device. Colors. Samsung offers a variety of colors, including classic shades like Phantom, Black, Titanium Grey, and more vibrant options like Titanium Violet and Titanium Yellow. IP68 rating. The device is water and dust resistant, ensuring durability in harsh conditions. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra strikes a balance between luxury and functionality, giving users confidence in its durability and elegance. Display. A visual masterpiece. Samsung continues to set industry standards with its display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. Screen size. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X display. Resolution. With a QHD+ resolution 3088 by 1440 pixels, the visuals are incredibly sharp. Refresh rate. The adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and power efficiency. Brightness. The peak brightness of 2600 nits makes it one of the brightest smartphone displays ever created, providing excellent outdoor visibility. HDR support. It supports HDR10+, ensuring vibrant colors and high dynamic range for supported content. Samsung's dedication to display quality ensures an immersive experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing. Performance. Raw power. With efficiency, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest hardware innovations, ensuring it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Processor. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a customized version optimized FO as Samsung devices. RAM and storage. Offers configurations with 0.12 GB RAM and storage. Options starting from 0.256 GB up to 1 TB.